हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। मैं हूं प्रिया और आज इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं महात्मा गांधी के द्वारा दिया गया एक बहुत ही इम्पैक्टफुल कोटेशन जो इंडिविजुअल लेवल पर चेंज लाने के लिए हमें मोटिवेट करता है। चलिए तो शुरू करते हैं। महात्मा गांधी's words, "Be the change that you wish to see in the world," offers a timeless call for personal responsibilities and self-driven transformation. In an era where blaming system and others has become common, Gandhiji reminds us that the real change began within the individual. Societal issues like corruption, pollution, inequality often persist not due to the lack of awareness but due to the lack of personal action. If one desires to clean a city, the journey begins with not littering. If one dreams of just society, they must act with fairness and integrity in their daily life. History offers numerous examples. Gandhi himself is the best illustration. He did not preach non-violence. From a distance, he lived it, inspiring millions. If you heard about the Chori Chora Kand, during the Chori Chora Kand, people burned the police station, and Gandhiji, at, while hearing this news, immediately suspended the non cooperation movement, which shows that he is the man of integrity. He is the man of integrity just because what he say, what he preach is what he follow. Another example is T.N. Shishan. He was the election commission of our country and take a wonderful reform due to which the election have been taken place free and well mannered. He reformed the election system by strictly enforcing rules, setting a personal example of discipline and courage. In every day, a student choosing not to cheat in an examination, or a citizen standing in a queue instead of using influence, contributes to the systematic change. These small acts multiplied across the population can reshape our nation. The path to becoming this change requires self awareness, moral courage, and consistency. It demands we align our action with the value we expect from others, like truth, honesty, compassion, and service. Now, what should be the way forward? Inculcating the value based education is must. Promoting civic responsibility is the need of the hour, and encouraging active citizen participation are essential to create a society driven by the internal change. When individuals led by example, society evolve collectively. Thus, being the change is not a passive ideal, but a powerful strategy for transforming the world one action at a time. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please watch it full. And I told you earlier that take a notebook, write down the examples from this, use it in your answer, and whenever you are giving any speech, writing any essay, or you are just talking to your friends, use them. Use them because your words are very impactful. Use them wisely. Thank you.